This is Eyewitness News Health Beat.
And on the Health Beat tonight, what it sometimes takes to care for our older relatives.
Eyewitness News anchor Anne-Marie Tiernan reports tonight on the struggle and the solution for a Zionsville family when their mother's memory began to fade.
Sorry.
You're fine.
What would that be called? Blah.
What a change for Carol King. Her family sees her being social and interacting. This after months of seeing her decline while they tried to care for her at home.
You know, I left the house about 6 o'clock in the morning. My wife left about 7:30, and we didn't get back till 5:30, 6 o'clock, somewhere in there. So she was by herself all day with nobody really to talk to.
Carol could feel that memory issues were increasing.
I do feel sometimes at first that I was not really thinking like I should.
Memory care facilitator Luke Garrison at Zionsville Meadows, where Carol lives, says it's common for families to struggle when dementia and Alzheimer's are added to the equation.
It's an ongoing grief process because they're losing their loved one bit by bit. Occasionally I'll have families leaving in tears because it was the first time mom didn't recognize them, or it was the first time she didn't know someone from their past. That's very, very hard on families.
Here they've set up interactive memory stations where Carol can do her nails or simple tasks just like if she was at home or work. There is a structured day with staff to help with hygiene and diet issues. Families are encouraged to spend time in a relationship that is forever being redefined.
The Alzheimer's Association here in the greater Indianapolis area does support groups that are phenomenal at helping families cope because it is such a difficult process.
But even as time passes, Carol is doing better.
This guy is really my guy. It really is. And he's done a lot for me, and I'm very proud to be with him.
And her family is relieved.
The biggest thing is physically she's better than she was when she was living with us.
On the Health Beat, Anne-Marie Tiernan, Eyewitness News.
And you can learn more about therapies for seniors and support programs for families at our WTHR American Senior Communities Health Fair that takes place tomorrow. Anne-Marie will be there at the Hamilton Healthcare Campus on 146th Street in Noblesville. The fair features flu shots and again free health screenings, all from 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m.
Thousands of heart disease survivors and supporters are preparing tonight for the Indianapolis Heart Walk and 5K run. It is tomorrow.